Right, so here we go. Today we're going to be cutting a filler. So find the filler panel and cut a section off a few mil bigger than what you need. Attach these green things to the back. They are called U-scribes. If you don't know what they are, get some. Push that onto the side of the cabinet, which effectively offsets your filler piece by 18mm. Get an 18mm block scribe. If you don't know what it is, get one. Scribe 18mm off the wall, take it off, bring it back, get rid of the green things. You don't need them anymore. They've served their purpose. Next, fix up through your cutting board into your workpiece to secure it, ready for planing. Thanks for the tea. As you can see, I'm really happy because I've fallen in love with the customer. Right, that's secured. Plane. Get whittling. Plane up to the line. Take your time. The neater you get this, the better. I'm just unscrewing the workpiece, moving it into a new position so I can finish off the job. Touch it up with a little bit of sandpaper, just to make it perfect. Unscrew it. Now it's time to fix it to the return piece. This is the offcut of the filler panel. Put some super glue on there. Place your filler on top. Spray in some activator. Same there, just squeeze a bit of gut bin. Close it up. Spray some activator. Flip it over. Stick some stick like shit on there. Smudge it in. Job's a good one. Take it over to the gap you want to fill. Put it in the right position. Screw it. Ideally, you want the face of it to be flush with the door. So in this case, it was 22mm. Tap it in position. Pilot hole. Screw. Job's a good one. That's it. Pack your tools up, go home.